Hey guys, so today's going to be a really quick video on how you would turn one of your old closure units into French bang or Chinese bang, whatever you want to call it. But you guys know I'm all about saving coins and reusing hair, so I figured this would be a perfect video for today. So y'all don't come for me on my lace. I know my lace needs to be clean. It's an old wig, alright y'all? Don't come for me. So I'm just going to show you guys that this is an actual closure wig. It's a closure, dirty lace. It was a middle part wig, so I'm just going to slip this baby on. And excuse me if I look away. I have my mirror in front of me, and you guys are kind of off like to the side. So again, closure wig, middle part wig, and now we're going to transform. I mean, you can typically you want to do this on a wig that you freshly washed. I did not. That's why the baby hairs are still like that with all the glue and everything. But it's still gonna work. It's still gonna do what it needs to do. The parts that you're gonna need today are just flat iron, a brush, a comb, a clip, and obviously some scissors. So I'm just gonna brush it. I'm about to brush it to the front of my face. What's that movie, y'all? I'm gonna she has all the hair in front of her face and she's like, ah, I don't know what it's called, but you get the point. So I'm brushing the hair. So what you guys want to do, you want to brush the hair. You want to make sure that you're you want to make sure that your wig is placed in the right spot. So you want to make sure it's just fitted correctly, basically. So flat iron, so that way there's no demarcations. Now I'm going to line up where my ears are, and that's how I know where the bang is going to begin. Oh, so it's kind of already in that position. But typically, the start of the bang, you want to just match up with like the top of your ear. So you want to do one of these and just like that. So now I'm going to attempt to leave like some wispies out on the side. What you want to leave out, and just make sure that it actually covers your whole forehead. So like don't let it go, obviously, because you're going to lose your spot, but kind of like spread it out. Make sure it's going to cover where you want it to cover. Take away some, and don't worry about those old baby hairs if your unit's like mine. Obviously it's going to be covered because you have the bang. So now that you have the part that you want to have as your bang, you're just going to twist, simple twist like this, and this, by you twisting, is going to give you that jagged look. Now always with everything, with baby hair, with hair in general, you want to cut longer than shorter, because if I cut like this and they look a hot mess, I cannot add hair. If I cut like this and they look a hot mess, I can always shorten it. So I'm just going to shorten just from right here, very little. And right now I'm just using regular hair scissors, but the closer I get, I'm going to use some shears. Shears to get to my lip gloss. So obviously that's still too long, so I'm just going to take. So this may look difficult, but I promise you guys it is not. I'm going to go ahead and do the same step. Twist, 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 twist. No, I'm going to cut a lot longer. I mean a bigger piece. I'm going to cut a bigger piece. So this is how my piece is. I'm actually going to cut right to my nose. They're still too long, so I'm just going to repeat the process again. now we're getting somewhere. Slowly but surely, we are getting somewhere, y'all. And I don't like full bangs, so I may or may not go on with the shears to like thin it out a little more. It's pretty thin, but I want a little more thinner. That way you can still see. It may be where I want it to stay, so I'm gonna take my flat iron and just press it out just to see and make sure. It's hot. Yeah. Y'all can't see, but I'm what's the word? Perspirating? I'm sweating. Girl, I'm sweating. And I have hair on my nose. Alright, so I think for me this is it, y'all. This is it. Alright, you guys see how that middle part is like trying to creep back? You just to get it gone, especially if your wig was always in that formation, it's going to take some work. So you just want to keep taking that flat iron, starting from the root, so that way it can mesh together, and eventually it'll be gone. Now some people like to bump their bangs, others like to leave them straight. I say it will just depend on the actual look. So for the look for today, I'm going to leave them straight, but that doesn't mean that tomorrow there will be bumps. And now that you know the bangs are to your liking, you can go ahead and press out your hair, or if you have curly hair, do what you need to do to get it to your desired look. I haven't worn bangs in so long. I should post, if I can find the picture. I was like a teeny bopper, like I was young the last time I wore bangs. So if I can find the picture, I'll go ahead and insert the clip for you guys. Don't cap on me, like we're not gonna do that in the comments, because don't embarrass me, I'll delete your comment. Straight like that. But I will. So this is the final look, you guys. I love it. I'm all about, like I said earlier, I'm all about saving them coins, sis. This was a middle part. This hair was like, I curled it with my curling iron. It had some curls in it. Now look at her. Look, she's pressed out. I might need to press her out a little more in the back. You can't really see back there, but look, she's pressed out. She got bangs, a whole new hairstyle with the same wigs. And then I did go ahead and cut a little bit from the bottom, so she was longer, she had curls, and she was the middle part, or the side part, I don't know. No, she was the middle part. Now look. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, comments, you just want to interact, you want to chit chat. Also follow me on all my social media. I know I say that on every single post. I probably will continue to say that on every single post. Follow me on my social media, business inquiries, my email's down below, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.